morning, Arisore. Today, we first standard Bhaskaracharya are conducting assembly. Now may I call Arush to say third of the day. Good morning, all of you. I am Arush Doke. Third of the day. Success comes for doing small effort every day. Thank you. Thank you, Arush. Now may I call Abhimanyu to say word of the day. Everyone, my name is Abhimanyu Ranpankar. Word of the day. First, intact. Intact means undamaged, sahi salamat. Second, stunt. Stunt means something done to draw attention. Thank you. Thank you, Abhimanyu. Now may I call Ajishri to say news headline. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ajishri Prasad Patil. News headlines are: first, Jamshedpur boys score 99% DICSE exam and become national topper. Second, Delhi school to reopen after winter break on Monday. Thank you. Thank you, Adishri. Now may I call Aradhya to ask GK questions. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aradhya Dhankhare. GK question asked. First, where is Gateway of India located? Right answer is Mumbai. Second, who was Albert Einstein?
Albert Einstein कौन था? आयस मीरा साइंटिस्ट नहीं
Yes, right.
Yes.
Famous scientist. So scientist नहीं थे सिर्फ famous scientist थे.
Right answer is famous scientist. For pre-primary, in which season we wear